3 pairs of dumbbells in 3-pound, 5-pound, and 8-pound sizes. Ideal for resistance and other trainings. The durable, neoprene material-coated cast iron is great for indoor and outdoor workouts. Neoprene coating on weights allow for a secure grip. The hex shape of the dumbbells prevents them from rolling. Easy to assemble. Weight stand is included. A assembly tool is included for your convenience too. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, great price. Purchased this lightweight dumbbell set after cervical spinal surgery. Along with physical therapy, I need small weights to do certain exercises with my hands and arms. The small rack stand was easy and simple to put together and only took 6 screws in 5 minutes. I would highly suggest this dumbbell set, and especially with the cost, it's a no-brainer.